In this video, I am going to share the latest one of 10 coupon code, which will provide you a flat 20% discount on your order. To get started, simply click on the first link down below in the video description. The link will take you to this page. Here, you need to create an account if you haven't done already. I will continue with my Google account. Next, we need to select a plan here. I will go ahead with the monthly plan. This will take us to the checkout page of one of 10. Here, you need to click on this Add Promo Code option. Next, you only need to enter this coupon code, which is showing on your screen. I will also add this coupon in the video description so that you can easily copy it and paste it here. And as you can see, this coupon code has provided me a flat 20% discount on my plan. I will also add the latest one of 10 coupon code in the video description, which will allow you to claim the maximum discount on your order. Make sure to use the first link down below in the video description. That is an affiliate link, which will provide you the latest discount of one of 10. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.